If you hate Jesus, then keep scrolling. But if you love Jesus, then stick around and watch until the end. God is saying to you today, do not go backwards. Stuff that's what the enemy wants you to do. Your future will be greater than your past. Your past was just preparation for your future. I am with you. Keep pressing forward. Things are better for you up ahead. When God sees you doing your part, believing when you don't see any sign of it, thanking Him when you're weak, taking steps of faith when you're uncomfortable, God will give you strength beyond your natural ability. He'll help you do what you normally couldn't do if you have faith in God. Please like and share this video. This month, get ready for a big financial miracle that will bring abundance, good health, joy, and happiness into your life. God is saying to you today, why are you stressing so much? Give me your worries. I'll take care of you. Stop trying to solve everything on your own. I am here. I love you. If you watch this video till the end, when we get tested at times, we immediately pray for the test to be over. Instead, ask God to show you what you're supposed to learn from this test and stop running from your development. That's why you keep going around that same mountain. Everybody is shouting for a breakthrough, but nobody is willing to be broken. Type 222 if you believe in Jesus. Watch God's next move, for your best days are not behind you, but ahead of you. 5. God is healing you. You are coming back better and stronger than ever before. 6. Don't rush what God is preparing. It would be worth the wait. 7. Got a significant miracle is on the way to you. 8. God is working out that situation has been stressing you out. If you are a Greek, comment Amen. These are small steps for a big God. Stay humble, stay hungry, stay level. You haven't imagined what God can do in your life if you're obedient to His will. This is only the beginning. Gather yourself, pace yourself. It's coming and fast. This is the week where it all changes for you. God and His angels are working on your behalf right now. You will see and experience advancement and growth in all areas of your life. Don't quit, don't give up. Your breakthrough is close. Type 333 to receive it. Activate the flow of unlimited wealth, happiness, pleasure, freedom, and confidence into your life by making one tiny change to your morning routine. Subscribe our channel if you love God. 10:10. Don't be so hard on yourself. Everything happens for a reason. Our mistakes are not meant to define us. They happen as lessons so we can distinguish right from wrong and help steer us on a path for us to make better decisions for ourselves. God is saying to you today, despite your mistakes, despite the failures and delays, I'm still going to bless you. I'm still going to heal you. I'm still going to bring that dream to pass. Type 1010 to claim it. God is going to show out, not only to take you into your destiny, but to prove to the people around you that the Lord is on your side. He's about to do something so big, so unusual, so out of the ordinary, that there won't be any doubt that His favor is on your life. Whatever is trying to stop you, a mountain of debt, a mountain of sickness, a mountain of depression, a mountain of addiction, it may look insurmountable to you, but it's no match for our God. One touch of His favor, and He'll turn that mountain into level ground. Type 444 if you needed this. God is saying to you, I'm going to repay you for the years the enemy has stolen. You spent lonely years, you spent being mistreated. You're going to have plenty of joy, plenty of peace, plenty of resources, and plenty of opportunities. Don't be discouraged by what's not lining up. It's not over. God is still working behind the scenes. Things are happening you can't see. Keep thanking Him that it's on the way. God is saying to you today, I know your heart is broken. I know it's hard to move on, but now I am close to the brokenhearted. I will bind and protect your wounds so you can heal. The healing process will take time, but as you come into my presence daily, you will have the strength to get up and walk into the love, blessings, and destiny I have in store for you. Type 555 to affirm. God will restore everything that was stolen. You will recover. You will bounce back. Better days are coming. Blessings are coming your way. What's about to happen next will cause you to rejoice. God is up to something incredible. God is saying to you tonight, rest. I'm already at work. I will turn around every negative situation in your life, bless you and your family, and heal every place you are hurting. God will put you in a position where you don't have to beg, borrow, or struggle. Amen. Type 222 to affirm and share this video with 5 people who trust God. Comment, Jesus is Lord. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us.